Raspberries are so beautiful and delicious. They are one of my favorite berries. I'm Tess, and today I'm making an easy Amish raspberry cobbler. Stay tuned. It's that time of year, and fresh berries are becoming more and more available. If you have 2 cups of fresh berries of any kind, this old-fashioned Amish cobbler is an easy and delicious recipe. In a previous recipe video, I showed you this recipe with blackberries, and today I'm using raspberries. To start, I'm creaming the butter and sugar together. I have a 1/4 cup of room temp unsalted butter, and I'm adding in a 1/2 cup of sugar. You can use a mixer, or it is rather easy to incorporate with a spoon. In another bowl, I have 1 cup of flour, and I'm adding in a couple teaspoons of baking powder and mixing well. Next, I'm adding a little of the flour mixture to the creamed butter sugar, alternating with milk, stirring in between and just mixing until combined. Remember not to overmix. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm adding the mixture into a well-buttered casserole or baking dish and just spreading out. Now for those beautiful raspberries. I have 2 cups of raspberries that are rinsed, drained thoroughly, and evenly covering the top of the batter. As you can see, we are going to need a little more liquid. You can use any berry juice, apple juice, but today I have some fresh orange juice. I'm pouring 3/4 of a cup of orange juice evenly over the top, and that's it. You may be tempted to stir, but don't stir. Baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until firm and golden brown on top. This Amish raspberry cobbler smells so good. I'm letting it rest for at least 30 minutes before serving. You can eat this warm or cold. It's yummy either way. The cobbler has a nice cake texture, and the raspberries are a nice burst of flavor throughout. You can serve this raspberry cobbler with milk, serve it with some cottage cheese, or the typical scoop of vanilla ice cream. Today I'm drizzling with a simple icing that is a combination of confectioner's sugar and a little of the orange juice. You can taste a hint of the orange juice in the cobbler, but if you wanted a more bright taste, you could add in a little orange zest. I hope you give this Amish raspberry cobbler recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!